Hello everyone. Today we shall learn the concept of volume. Here we are going to learn cuboid, volume of cuboid, how to find the volume of cuboid. That is what we are going to learn today. But before moving on to the concept, I would request you to subscribe to Edumetry and hit the bell icon for all our regular updates. Now let us move on to the concept. Volume. What do we mean by the word volume? Here we are having a cuboid in front of us, having the length 10 centimeter, breadth 4 centimeter and height 5 centimeter. In this particular figure, if we move towards finding the volume, first we need to learn what is the formula or the concept that is needed for finding the volume. Volume is length into width into height. To convert volume, you have to remember that the volume is length by width by height. Here the volume formula is clear in front of us. Now you can see here the length, width and height. What is the length, what is the width and what is the height of a cuboid is explained with a diagram. Now we will move towards the basic concept that product of length, breadth and height, how we are getting the volume of this particular cuboid. The amount of three-dimensional space, something taking up. Imagine how much water could be in it. That is what actually tells the capacity of anything. That is what is actually the concept of volume. In this very example, we are multiplying 10 into 4 into 5, that is 200 cubic unit. This is what is our volume of this particular cuboid. If we have to convert metrics into cubic centimeter, cubic meter or liter, we have to use the standard conversion formulas by which you can convert any cubic meter or cubic centimeter to liters, okay, or gallons, in whichever unit you want the value to be represented. Now look at this shape. There are three different measurements: length, width and height. So when we go for finding volume, we need to first identify what is the length of the cuboid, width of the cuboid and height of the cuboid. And more simply, we write it L into W into H. In some books, it is written as L into B into H. For reference, we can just have a look at this particular diagram where the base area is given 20 and see if the moment I am increasing the height, its volume is continuously increasing. Now when I am decreasing the height, its volume is decreasing. Here it is representing how the volume is directly proportional to the height of the cuboid. Now for reference of books and various other videos, video links, everything I mention in my description box of this video. Please go to the description box and check out whichever books you can follow for preparing these concepts and any further mathematical other concepts that you need to learn. Here again I am explaining with the change. You see there are 10 blocks. The moment it is up to 3, then base area 10 into 3 is 30. Now when I am taking it to 6, it is becoming volume 60. 10 base area, that is length into breadth, and height, when you are multiplying it by 6, it becomes 60. If it is multiplied by 10, then it becomes 100. Now base area got changed to 15. So when you increase the height to a level like full height 10, so 15 into 10, 150. This is how the volume is coming. So volume is completely depending on three very important terms, that is height, length, breadth. Length into breadth is the base area. When you multiply it by the height, it gives you the volume. Volume basically represents the amount of substance that you can put into the matter put into the cuboid or amount of water a cuboid can hold, the capacity of the cuboid is represented basically by the term volume, by the mathematical term volume. Again, some other base area has been taken, like base area 25 has been taken, and when you multiply it by 10 it becomes 250. So height you are taking 10, base area 25. Here base area 8, height you take 10, it will become 80. Now height I have taken 5, it becomes 40. 5 into 8, 40. 10 means 80. Here I have given a problem. What is the volume when base area, base length, breadth and height all are 7? You have to just find it in terms of cubic inches. Do it at your home, at your own. Okay, and thanks for watching. Thanks for being with us. Subscribe to the channel Edumetry for this kind of videos. I'll be uploading many such videos in regular intervals. Subscribe to the channel for more updates and more understanding, more concepts. Okay, be with us. Thank you.